Welcome to the Westerly Outlook Project. This is Jason, lead carpenter. I'm going to show you around on this phase 2 project. This is phase 2 of this project. We did phase 1, which was the lower level, and that was really successful last summer, so let's go in and check it out. Walking in here, you have the kitchen area. So originally this was all broken up with walls, so you had a small island over here with a little bit of cabinetry, and then you'd walk in through a weird butler's pantry on the other side through here. So the whole goal was to open this kitchen up and make it more functional. That's the word I was looking for. Going to show you a few of the key highlights of this project other than the wonderful kitchen. This was kind of a open dead space, I guess you could call it. So we've decided to add a coffee bar over here. There's going to be a tall cabinet going floor to ceiling on the right. Then there'll be a little bit of countertop space with some under cab lighting. There's going to be upper cabinets with glass doors with puck lights inside to kind of lighten up the cabinetry. This color is going to be cyberspace, which is a navy blue color, which will be matching the mudroom cabinetry as well. Take you over to the tavern, which is one of the customer's favorite space in the house. This is a little bar area, which is super rustic, and we're not exactly doing anything in here. We're just gonna give a little bit of love and bring it back to life. Doing some paint work in here. Otherwise, it's pretty much staying the same. We've changed this window to one big picture window and brighten up the view of the lake a little bit instead of having a bunch of double hung windows that would break up the view. Follow me along as I take you up the stairs to the primary suite. Featuring Brian Finer. So walking up the stairs here, you have the laundry area, which we've created a header in order to hide a low voltage lighting, light up the countertop that we're going to be adding above the washer and dryer. Up here in this space, we've reconfigured a lot to try and make the most out of a tight space and give the client more storage. So walking through here, you have his closet, which is going to be walking through a door. This will be drywalled opening, and then you'll be walking into her closet, which are both going to get custom closet systems by the Closet Place. Walking over into the primary bathroom. This is trying to add a lot into this tight space, making sure the client had everything that they wanted in the bathroom while still making it functionable. So we've changed this wall into being cabinetry. So this will all be cabinetry, 2 sinks. This is going to be a huge recessed medicine cabinets with lights all built in and outlets. Then over here, you're going to have a tub with a pendant above the tub. Tub fillers that we were able to tuck over into the corner to try and give a little more space around the toilet and as you walk in and out of the shower. Taking you into the study, this used to be where there was a countertop space, a little bit of shelving, and some cabinetry. Used to be a little sink. So we've actually taken that out and brought his closet into this room in order to give them a little more storage space. And this is gonna be a little work area and overviewing the lake with its own little balcony. Gives it a nice place to hang out and do some work. Welcome to the mudroom portion. So this originally was a bedroom. We've turned it into a mudroom because walking in through the kitchen, through the original front entry of the house is not really ideal, especially being in New England with the 4 seasons. So we've turned this bedroom into a mudroom to keep a cleaner space out there. We've added a closet for storage. There'll be a little bit of cabinetry here, tall cabinet with some crown molding and such, with a bench. That way there's seating area for the folks visiting the house. And then we've also added a powder room. That way the guests that come and visit don't have to go in everybody's personal space, since there's 1 bedroom for each bathroom in this house. So this will be a little bathroom that everybody can use while they're visiting. Well, thanks for following along and watching our videos. Make sure you stay tuned because we got more coming as this project gets wrapped up and all the finishes start going together.